Example, show that the matrix A it is equals to say 1 2 minus 2, but minus 6 minus 1 2, minus 6 minus 1 2, and then 6 2 minus 1 and 6 2 minus 1. 7 2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 1 2, 6 2 minus 1 satisfy the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Satisfy the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. The matrix A is given and we have to prove that it satisfies the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So for this one we will write down the solution. First we will find out lambda I minus A, it is equals to lambda I, that means lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda minus A. A means 7 2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 1, here is 2 and here is 6 2 and minus 1, 6 2 and minus 1, it is equals to this lambda I minus A, it is equals to what it comes, this is 7 this is lambda minus 7, so this becomes lambda minus 7, 0 minus 2, so that means it is minus 2, and 0 minus minus 2, that means it becomes plus 2, 0 minus minus 6, that means it is 6, and lambda minus minus 1, so that means it is lambda plus 1, and 0 minus 2, so that means it is minus 2, 0 minus 6, so that means this is minus 6, and 0 minus 2, so that means it is minus 2, and lambda minus minus 1, so that becomes lambda plus 1. It must be equals to 0. It must be equals to 0. So lambda I minus A, it is equals to lambda minus 7 minus 2 plus 2, 6 lambda plus 1 minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 and lambda plus 1, it is equals to 0. So this is lambda I minus A. Now we will expand this one. Now we will expand this one and we will find out our characteristics equation and our characteristics equation. Now see here, this we can find out lambda I minus A, it is equals to, now see here, this is what lambda minus 7 multiplied by these two minus these two, so this is lambda plus 1 into lambda plus 1, this is lambda minus 7. Now we will find out lambda minus 7 in bracket lambda, what is this, plus 1 lambda plus 1, lambda plus 1 lambda plus 1, and this is minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4, so this becomes minus 4, minus 4, this is minus 2, so minus 2 minus 2 becomes plus 2 in bracket, so this is lambda plus 1 into 6, and this is minus minus 12 means plus 12, 6 into lambda plus 1, 6 into lambda plus 1, and this is minus, minus minus 12, minus 6 into minus 2, that is minus plus 12, plus 12 means this is here minus 12, and this is 2, so this becomes plus 2 multiplied by, this is 6 into, this is 6 into 2, that is minus 12, that is minus 12, and this becomes minus minus plus, so lambda plus 1 multiplied by minus 6, so minus minus plus, so this becomes plus 6 multiplied by lambda plus 1, lambda plus 1. So now if we solve this one, then we have lambda I minus a, yeah, this is equals to 0, this completed is equals to 0. So this lambda minus 7 we will take as it is, lambda minus 7. We will solve this one, so this becomes lambda square plus 2 lambda plus 1 minus 4. Then this becomes plus 2, and here we have 6 lambda plus 6 minus 12, plus 6 minus 12. So that means how much it is? Plus 6 minus 12, that means minus 6. Okay, and here plus 2, and here is the 6 into lambda, that means 6 lambda plus 6 minus 12. So again 6 lambda minus 6, it is equals to 0. It is equals to 0. So 6 lambda minus 6, 6 lambda minus 6 into 2 into 2. So these are the two similar terms. So this we can write down lambda I minus a, it is equals to lambda minus 7 in bracket, this becomes lambda square plus 2 lambda plus 1 minus 4, so this becomes minus 3, so this becomes minus 3, and this term and these terms are same, so we can write down plus 4 multiplied by 6 lambda minus 6. This gets doubled. This gets double. So 2 plus 2, that means it becomes 4. 4 multiplied by 6 lambda minus 6. If we add these two, then we get 4 multiplied by 6 lambda minus 6. Now we will expand this one. Lambda I minus a, it is equals to 0. So we will have this one. So lambda square plus 2 lambda minus 3 multiplied by lambda minus 7. Lambda minus 7. So it comes lambda cube. This is 2 lambda square and this is 7 lambda square, that is minus. So this becomes 5 lambda square, and then this is 3 lambda. This is 3 lambda minus 3, and here it is minus 14 lambda, minus 14. So that means minus 17 lambda and 3 minus 3 plus minus 7. So this becomes plus 21 plus this is 6 into 4, that is 24 lambda minus 24, it is equals to 0. It is equals to 0. Now we will collect the similar terms. So lambda I minus a, it is equals to lambda cube as it is minus 5 lambda as it is minus this one. This is 17 and this is 24. Minus 17 plus 24, that is plus 7 lambda, and this is 21 and minus 24. So this becomes minus 3, it is equals to 0. So this is my equation A. This is equation A. Equation A is characteristic equation. Characteristics equation. Hence, this a cube, instead of lambda we will put a, so this becomes a cube minus 5a square plus 7a minus 3. This is constant, so we will multiply it by I. It is equals to 0. It is equals to 0. So it must be equals to 0. It must be equals to 0. So this is my Cayley-Hamilton's theorem. A cube, we will substitute, we will replace this lambda by a. So instead of lambda we will put a, so it is a cube minus 5a square plus 7a minus 3, and this 3 is constant, so we will convert it into the matrices form by multiplying it by the identity matrix, that is 3. Yeah, that is I. So 3 is the constant, so 3 into I. So this is my Cayley-Hamilton theorem. In equation B, we have a cube minus 5a square plus 7a minus 3i. Now a is known, but a square and a cube is not known. So first we will find out what is a square, and then we will find out what is a cube. Now a is given, so first we will find out a square. A square, it is equals to a into a, it is equals to, we will write down the a. A, it is equals to 7 2 minus 2, 7 2 minus 2, then it is minus 6 minus 1 2, minus 6 minus 1 2, and then it is 6 2 minus 1, 6 2 minus 1. This is a into a, this is a, again we will write down 7 2 minus 2, minus 6 minus 1 and 2. This is 6 2 and minus 1, 6 2 and minus 1. Now we will find out what is a square now. So first column, first row, first column, we have to multiply. So 7 into 7, that is 49. 2 into minus 6, that is minus 12. Minus 2 into 6, that is minus 12. Then 7 into 2, that is 14. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. And minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. Then 7 into 2, minus 2, that is minus 14. 7 into 2 into 2, that is plus 4. And minus 2 into minus 1, that is plus 2. That is plus 2. Then minus 6, second row, first column. Minus 6 into 7, that is minus 42. Minus 1 into 6, that is plus 6. 2 into 6, that is plus 12. Then minus 6 into 2, that is minus 12. Minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. And 2 into 2, that is plus 4. This is minus 6 into minus 2, that is 12. Minus 1 into 2, that is 2. Minus 2. Minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. And 2 into minus 2, that is minus 2. And here 6 into 7, that is 42. 2 into minus 6, that is minus 12. And minus 1 into 6, that is minus 6. Then 6 into 2, that is 12. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Minus 1 into 2, that is again minus 2. 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12. 2 into 2, that is plus 4. And minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. That is plus 1. So it is coming minus 12, minus 12, minus 12, minus 24 and plus 49. So this becomes a square, it is equals to 25. Then 14 minus 6, that is 8. Then minus 14 plus 4, that is minus 10 plus 2, that is minus 8. Then this is minus 42 and this is plus 12, so minus 30. Minus 30 plus 6, that is minus 24. Then minus 12 plus 5, that is minus 7. And 12 minus 2, that is minus 12 minus 2, that is 10. 10 minus 2, that is 8. Then 14 minus 12, that is 30. 30 minus 6, that is 24. 12 minus 4, that is 8. And minus 12 plus 4, that is minus 8 plus 1, that is minus 7. So this is my a square. So we get a square. Now a square is known. We will find out a cube from this one. A cube, it is equals to a square into a. So it is equals to, that is 25, 8 minus 8 minus 24 minus 7, 8, and this is 24, 8 and minus 7 into a. A means 7, 2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 1 and 2. This is 6, 2 and minus 1. 6, 2 and minus 1. 7, 2 minus 2 minus 6 minus 1, 2. 6, 2 minus 1, that is my a, and 25, 8 minus 8 minus 24 minus 7 and 8. 24, 8 and minus 7, these are sorry, this is my a square. Now a cube, it is equals to, this is 25 into 7, that is 175. 8 into minus 6, that is minus 48, and minus 8 into minus 6, again minus 48. 25 into 2, that is 50. 8 into minus 1, that is minus 8, and minus 8 into 2, that is minus 16. And this is 25 into 2 minus 2, that is minus 50. 8 into 2, that is plus 16. Minus 8 into minus 1, that is plus 8. Okay, so this is minus 24 into 7, that is minus 168. Minus 7 into minus 6, that is plus 42. And 8 into 6, that is plus 48. Plus 48. And this is minus 24 into minus 2, minus 24 into 2, that is minus 48. Minus 7 into minus 1, that is plus 7. And 8 into 2, that is plus 16. And minus 24 into minus 2, that is 48. Minus 7 into 2, that is minus 14. And 8 into minus 1, that is minus 8. Then 24 into 7, again it is 168. 8 into 6 minus 6, that is minus 48. Minus 7 into 6, that is minus 42. And then 24 into 2, that is 48. 8 into minus 1, that is minus 8. Minus 7 into 2, that is minus 14. 24 into minus 2, that is minus 48. 8 into 2, that is plus 16. Minus 7 into minus 1, that is plus 7. That is plus 7. So a cube, it is equals to 175 minus 48 minus 14, that is 96. 175 minus 96, that becomes 79. 42 minus 16, that is 26. Minus 14, 16 means minus 34. Minus 34 plus 8, that is 24. Minus 26. And minus 16, 42 plus 48, that is 90. So that is 78. So this becomes minus 78. Minus 14 plus 7, that is minus 41. Minus 41 plus 16, that is minus 25. And 48 minus 14, that is minus plus 34. Plus 34 minus 8, that means minus 26. 48 minus 48 minus 48 minus 42 means minus 90. And 168 minus 90 means 78. And 48 minus 8 means 8. 8 minus 48 minus 8 means minus 40. 40 minus 14, that means 26. And minus 48 plus 16, that means minus 32. Minus 32 plus 7, that means minus 25. So here we have minus 25. Minus 48 plus 16, that is minus 32. Minus 32 plus 7, that means minus 25. So let us say this is B, so we will say this is C and this is D. So we have A square A cube. Now we have A cube A square A, which is already given in the equation, that is A, and I we know. So now we know the everything in the equation B, so we will put the values over there in the equation B. Now put A cube A square A and I values in equation B, we get. Now we will substitute this value in the equation B, we get. Now see here, B is A cube. A cube means this value. So this is A cube, that is 7926 minus 26. Now this is 7926 minus 26. 26 minus 26. Then it is minus 78 minus 25, 26. Minus 78 minus 25 and 26. And 78 26 minus 25. 78 26 and 25. This is 26 and this is minus 25. This is minus 25. Okay. Now this is minus 5 A square. So this becomes minus 5 and A square. A square is 25 8 minus 8. 25 8 minus 8. Minus 24 minus 7 8. Minus 24 minus 7 8. And 24 8 minus 7. 24 8 minus 7. This is what? 5A square. Then 7A plus 7A. A is what? 7 2 minus 2. 7 2 minus 2. Then minus 6 minus 1 2. Minus 6 minus 1 2. And then 6 2 minus 1. And then 6 2 minus 1. And then it is minus 3I. Minus 3I. So then this becomes minus 3 and I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. It is equals to 0. Here the value must be 0. All this. Now we will multiply this 5 to this matrix, 7 to this matrix and 3 to this matrix. So we have here, we will write down this is 79 26 minus 26. Then this is minus 78 minus 25. This is minus 26. This is 78 26 minus 25. This minus sign as it is, and we will multiply 5 here. So this becomes 125. 5 into 8, that is 40, and this becomes minus 40. This is minus 5 into minus 24, that is minus 120. This is minus 35, and 5 into 8, that is 40. Then 5 into 24, that is 120. 5 into 8 is 40. 5 into minus 7, that is minus 35, plus this 7. 7 into 7, that is 49. 7 into 2 that is 14, 7 into minus 2 that is minus 14, 7 into minus 6 minus 42, 7 into minus 1 that becomes minus 6, and 7 into 2 that becomes 14, and 7 into 6 again 42, 7 into 2 that is 14, and 7 into 1 that is minus 6. This minus sign as it is, this is minus, and diagonally we will have 3 we have to multiply 3 to this one, so 0 3 0 0 0 3, this one. Now we will write down it is equals to, this is, we will perform the algebraic operation, that is 79 minus 125, this is plus 49 and minus 3 and minus 3, this is 26 minus 40, 26 minus 40 plus 14 and minus 0, this is minus 26 minus minus plus 40, and this is plus minus 14, and this is 0 minus 0, so minus 78 minus minus plus, that is 120, that is minus 42, and here is minus 0. Then minus 25, then minus minus plus 35, then plus minus 6, and this is minus 3. में 5 7 35, seven into minus 7, here is the minus 7 and here is the minus 7, this is 7 into minus 1, so here is the minus 7, okay, and then this is 26 and this is minus 40, 26 minus 40 plus 14 and minus 0, then this is 78, this is minus 120, this is plus 42 and this is minus 0, then 26, this is minus 40 and then plus 14, then minus 0, here is minus 25, then minus plus, so this becomes plus 35 and plus minus, so this is 1 minus 1, so 7 into minus 1 that becomes minus 7, so this becomes plus and this is minus, so this becomes minus 7 and this is minus and this is 3, so this is minus 3. Now see here, we can get it is equals to, if we perform the 79 and this is minus 125 minus 3, that means minus 128, and 79 plus 49 that is 128, plus 128 minus 128 becomes 0, 26 minus 14 minus 40 that is minus 14 plus 14 becomes 0, minus 26 plus 40 that is plus 14 minus 14 becomes 0, minus 78 plus 120, that is minus plus 42. Plus 42 minus 42 becomes 0. Minus 25 plus 35, that is 10. 10 minus 7, that is plus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 becomes 0. 36 minus 40. 26 minus 14, that is minus 14 plus 14 becomes 0. This is 78 minus 120, that is minus 120. 78 minus 120 becomes minus 42. Minus 42 plus 42 becomes 0. 26 minus 40, that is minus 14 plus 14 becomes 0. And minus 25 plus 35, that is 10. 10 minus 7, that is 3. 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So it is equals to 0. It is equals to 0. Hence matrix A satisfy Cayley Hamilton theorem. This way we can prove it. It is coming 0. That means our given matrix A satisfy the Cayley Hamilton theorem. So this way we can prove it.